Hello everyone. Let's talk about static keyword in Java today. So let's learn about what is static keyword, when to use it, when not to use it, and what are the different constants related to Java static keyword. So let's get started. Java static keyword you can use with variables or nested class or methods or a set of blocks. To use the static keyword, you need to use keyword static and then the data type of the variable and then the variable name and then the value. So static is the keyword in Java. Now, as I said, you can use static with a variable. The first line you can see how you will use it with variable. If you want to use it for a block, that can also be done in the second line. If you want to define a static method before return type, you can use the static word, and you can of course use the static with nested class as well. Main class cannot be static. Now when we define static in the Java memory area, it is stored in the stack memory. Object is stored in heap memory, as we know. So object refers the static keyword, and whenever we define any variable, it is defined at the class level, not at the object level. So whatever is in static, it will be accessible and will be given to both the objects, or whatever objects is available for a given class. The static keyword is used in Java mainly for memory management. We may apply static keyword with variables, methods, block, and nested classes. The static keyword belongs to the class, then instance of the class. The static can be used with variables, methods, blocks, and nested classes. In this code example, you can see how you can define the static keywords, how you can define the static methods, and in the nested class. And to use it, you can see with the class name, you can use the static variables or the static methods. Now, a static keyword is applicable to the methods, variable, class, and initialization blocks, and where it is not applicable. So, static keyword is not applicable with the main class, or you cannot use it with constructor. You cannot use it with the interface or method local inner class methods, instance variable, or local variable. Static keyword can also not be used with the abstract together. Now, as I said, static block is available for all the objects of a given class. So here you can see if there are two, the static int role. So role is available to object 1 as well as object 2. Static variables refer to class in general. Static methods are accessible to every instance. Static classes can be inherited only from the objects. Sometimes people are confused what is the difference between static and final. So let me clarify that. Static versus final. So static keyword that denotes a member variable or a method that can be accessed without requiring an instantiation of the class to which it belongs. That's why the main method in Java is a public static void main. It's static. And then the final, the keyword that denotes an entity that cannot be assigned, that can only be assigned once. Now, static variables can be initialized again, whereas final variables cannot be initialized again. Method can be called by directly the class name, but the final method cannot be. In case of final method cannot be overridden, and an object cannot be created from a static class. It only consists of static members. Final classes cannot be inherited by other classes. So today we learned what is a static keyword in Java, when to use it, what it is used for, what are the different options that is available with static keywords in Java, in which memory it belongs to. So it belongs to stack memory, not like object which belongs in the heap memory, and which are the places where you can use the static. You can use that in variables or blocks or nested classes or methods. So that's all for today. I hope you understood what is static keyword in Java. If you have any question related to static keyword in Java, do write in the comment section. I will try to answer those. Thank you so much for watching, and if you think the videos are helpful, do like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much.